A man, eager for love, came to his beloved's home and knocked excitedly on the door.
Who's there?
The lady inquired.
It's me.
The hopeful man declared.
Get out of here. There's no place for you in this house. Like an undercooked food, you're naive and not yet ready. You still refer to yourself as myself while professing your undying love for me.
A lover who just sees himself isn't a lover at all, and he should be roasted in the fire of separation until he's fully cooked. The distraught man eventually backed away from the house after she refused to open the door. He left town soon after for an unknown destination in a faraway continent. He gathered his courage and approached his beloved's home again after a year of traveling from place to place, burning with the sorrow of separation. He knocked on the door nervously but respectfully.
Who's knocking at this hour?
No one.
The man sheepishly stated.
The one on this side of the door is also you.
You finally become me now. That you've stopped seeing only yourself. Two individuals could never live in this house at the same time, but you are welcome to come in now. At this point, you're welcome to stay in this house. There is no longer any distinction between us. We are no longer the rose and the thorn. We are the same person.